TG.
And Sean.
I'm here with another big
Bang.
Don't forget to like,
Subscribe.
share, comment.
Comment.
So guys, we're doing charades today.
Jamaican
Charades, yeah. Yeah, you try act out the thing on the person's forehead with the phone, and then
The other person guess
it. The person with the phone on them forehead guess it. Guesses it.
Guesses it.
Yes, guesses it. And
Alright, but not all of them is actors. Some of them you can play it like for the songs. You can play the songs. And the person have to guess the name of the song.
Okay.
And the others you have to act. Or at least give a clue.
Alright, so each of us going to choose a category. And I think we're going to really have no score for this.
Yes.
So we're not going to be able to, we're not going to be able to tell the score.
we're always competitive.
It's just for fun.
Never.
Anyways.
Team TG, guys. Team TG.
Let me see which category.
I beat up the Shans.
Alright, so the category is popular Jamaican dances. 60 seconds.
I'm gonna know if you do this.
A clue. Rock?
Na 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 na.
But no, what was it?
Rock the world.
Oh! Alright.
That one here did everybody discourage them.
I don't know. What was it?
One drop.
One drop?
I don't know if you do that one either.
Yo, here what? More while people tell us you have to follow the rhythm, man.
Check for yourself.
Correct. You search for something, well lost, but then eventually you
Find yourself.
find it, brother.
So I'm gonna get it, I'm gonna
Time's
get
up.
it. Fast.
It gone, time's up. One.
How much me get?
One.
No! On the teeth.
One.
Alright.
One.
Alright.
One. Can't
Choose
believe
a
it.
category.
One, they get one.
They come out on Friday night. Pig and them sell pig.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Correct.
What? It's a shape.
One of the meanest fruit. What's
Where
that?
is that
No.
from?
No.
It's a shape, but it's also a fruit.
That's fine,
Star fruit.
Star fruit. Them serve
Make
it with
from
fish.
cassava.
Mommy.
Yeah. Get this a fair, kids love it. Sugar, because of sugar. Yeah. Jamaica is known for this type of drink.
Yeah, but them get it high up,
Hot
way up.
drink.
Hot beverage.
Coffee.
What kind of coffee? Blue Mountain.
Where you got cases go by? Patty and what?
Cocoa bread.
Yeah. We should have choose this. You use this to season.
Ah, it gone.
Curry powder. It was curry powder. Andre, you want the one?
Six she get. Best score.
Alright.
Best score. So you don't know,
I
say,
give my easy category.
there's no such thing as an easy category.
What?
You're gonna get rocked.
Yeah, I give. I did say
So
that
you
too?
video now? I make me talk to him.
I give my different one. Yeah, you can do it.
Yeah.
No,
None
I
of
know
you.
that. So if you get it right, you
Yes,
come
you put it
down.
If you get it,
Right,
if you
and
pass,
put
if
it
you
up.
pass it, go up. So you have to come in and
So the categories.
well, let me go now, brother. It's a school where the girl them wear like light green with a darker green. What's up?
No.
What's up?
Green and black plaid.
Green and black plaid, yeah. Green and black plaid. Plaid.
Which
No,
one?
which high school at? Alright.
Alright, up,
Up.
fast. Yeah.
The school there, mob, you don't know them.
You're not gonna know them.
You're not gonna know them.
You could choose a different category.
Maldan. What? All them school?
Belfield. Nobody
in some
knows these
country
things.
area.
Alright, maybe in patois, something like that.
No, act out real Jamaica.
Jamaicans love to say. Yeah. Or spelling in patois.
Yeah.
That's impossible.
So for this one,
Robert,
that's spelling bee competition.
by saying the words
So
on
you
the
have
card,
to
English translation.
whatever is on it, you'll get it the English and you're gonna spell it in a patois.
Yeah.
Alright.
So zoom in on the word.
Alright, so your first word is
Family.
family.
You have to give him the part what to spell.
Family.
Family.
F-A-M-B-L-Y.
Close.
Close.
2A. And people
2A,
spell it
wrong.
different.
Carry
So
on.
yeah. Make him pass it.
Oh. Rude boy.
Rude boy.
Rude boy.
Pass. Fast.
Fast.
F-A-S.
S.
Yes, one of
Yeah.
that is. But yeah, go on.
Correct.
Take it.
You have to go down. Yeah. Talawa.
Talawa.
Pass.
More of this.
That easy though. Royal.
Royal.
R-A-Y-A-L.
Yeah.
What?
Carry.
Carry.
Kiar.
Car.
Not wrong.
Yeah,
How
yeah.
you spell
Car
that?
make it no right.
Pass. You pass two of them.
You can't believe this. It's rough.
Time's up. How much you get? Three. Get more than me.
Ready. New
Alright,
game.
what you choose?
This me have to do again. This.
That one that you cannot do that. 'Cause you already
So they don't
know
have
the
new words.
answers.
They don't do new words. Yeah?
Yeah.
New game.
Play again.
Play again.
Okay. I hope
I
you
hope
get
you get wrong one.
Shut up. Oh,
Booyaka. Yeah, man.
B-O-Y-K-A.
Close.
Alright.
You pass it. Licky, licky.
L-I-C-K-Y. L-I-C-K-Y. Yeah?
Yeah. Lick.
L-I-C-K.
Say.
S-E-H.
Ginal.
G-I-N-A-L.
Ginnal.
This lie. Honestly.
Ton.
T-U-N.
Sinsimilla.
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 Pass.
Kip.
K-I-P. Come now.
Nice.
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 N-I-Z-E.
Yeah. You pass it.
What?
Massa.
M-A-S-S-A.
Why you keep on a
Me got. Why is
sufferer?
that?
You keep on a shake it 2 times.
No.
Alright.
Guys, reality, a 9 me get. Because it passed 2 for
Are
me.
you pass it?
No. Brother, I'm
Want a
madness.
different one.
Me the best, yeah? Me the best.
Me a play one of
Me the
these.
charades, God.
Me a
You're weak.
play one of these. I want to just do spelling in patois.
You're weak. You're desperate. Goods, you're gonna lose goods. Watch it. You're gonna jam in.
Jammin.
Right. Duppy.
Duppy.
Think.
Tink.
Cover.
Cova.
Avoid.
Avid.
Wrong.
Yes, a lie.
No.
It's right.
No, she say A-V-A-I-D.
You forget my point.
It's A-I-D, you say?
No.
You say A-V.
V-A-I-D. I say.
V-A-I-D, you say?
Alright,
It's
alright,
A-V-I-D-E.
Oh.
Peer.
P-E-A-R.
That's still.
Wrong.
I want them to spell it the other way.
Go up with something. Good tea. Jankuno.
Pass on that.
Nyam. You love that, you know?
N-Y-A-M.
Maga. Oh, you're fat.
M-A-W-G-A.
Yeah. Your time
Me
up.
forget
You
that,
no,
though.
you can't get it because your time 5.
More to do over.
See avoider? You say A-V-A-I-D-E and it's A-V-I-D-E. Tell us she weak.
Alright. One next one. Party goes the party shop. What is that? Describe these events that was kept in Jamaica? You, are your
No,
thing.
go on. You say you want to go again. Stand up, man.
We're not gonna do this,
No.
come to go party.
Yes, you're backside there.
Alright, we could choose a different thing. Cultural icons of Jamaica. Yeah, we can do this.
Alright, do you know?
Culture.
Turn on. You're going to lose this. Him always a walk barefoot.
Mutabaruka.
Yeah.
So what's rising stars?
Shows Rising Stars, yeah. Shows
Terry
one of the-
Carell?
Yeah. Many rivers to cross.
Jimmy Cliff.
Yeah. Who that? They be. I don't know. Sorry. You have to pass that.
What's
I don't
that?
know. Pa.
Oh, sorry.
He's a hero, but him coming like the dancer too.
Paul Bogle.
Yeah.
What is that?
I think a Buju Banton daughter this.
Yeah.
It's
Fatty
the
and skinny.
show. It's the show. It come on TVJ. One show,
Every
one comedy
Sunday
show.
night.
Every Sunday night. It did come on CVM or TVJ.
I tell Fancy Cat?
Yeah. No, bro.
IT brother.
IT brother? Fuck.
All time, some, I don't know.
One love.
Bob Marley?
God, yeah. Yo, Jano, 6. We not even know them people here. Jano,
You wanna go?
it's harder than you think. You go on. Choose you. You see it.
Security.
Company.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Me a real bad man, that's why them love me.
Scammer.
No. He's an artist.
The artist.
But sing that song then.
Oh, that Jabalani.
Yeah.
Wouldn't get that.
Zongo Zen. The artist.
Him face this figure.
No, you cannot give so
Yellow
much
man.
Yeah.
literal.
Shut up.
No, you cannot do that.
Striped animal.
The zebra.
Yeah.
Big I'm gonna run up on them. One artist. A Rastaman. Dry Cry. Judgment Yard.
Richest Spice.
No.
Capitan.
No.
Sizzler.
You lose already. Yeah?
Get a Story. True Get a Story. And I'm singing it with Alicia Keys.
Baby Sham.
Yeah. This our artists?
Shabara.
No, these are our artists.
Dancer.
Dancehall artists. Yeah, man, let me do this.
5.
See if I
You
can
will
do
want to do the scene?
this. Ready? I better do the thing good enough. Oh.
Alright.
Hello?
Oh, I think that I found.
Oh, me.
Yeah. I don't know. You can't pass that.
No.
You know one either. Jazzelis.
Oh.
Pass. Cut your ranks.
I know that, you know.
Me don't know that. Devil.
Tommy Lee?
Yes. Left side and
Esco?
yeah.
438.
Suicide
Massacre?
Prayer. Yeah.
No, that.
Merciless. Pass that.
Gizzard, you know, girl, them
You know
Gizzard.
him. Mm-mm.
Channel Star.
She and Chris Martin did they?
Cecile.
Yeah. Get a story.
Baby Sham.
Yeah.
Talk fast now.
Tight up.
Tight up skirt.
Samantha J.
Yeah.
Come quick.
Bob Marley's son.
Ziggy.
And
No.
Black Street Tesla.
Junior
Yeah,
gang. Shanique, you make my team mash up, brother.
Let me try that one here.
Seven, guys. Watch it. 7. And shit, yo, me don't know all of them. All of them. It's just a
What
hater.
that to just do?
Just play again.
No, come off ice cream.
You always lose the thing, them. Place on your forehead. Him clash with Ninja Man in a Sting.
Super cat.
Yeah. Him white like.
Snow. I can't see my phone.
That's why I'm stand up out this.
Come play my first one.
Him kill 3 artists on Sting.
Vibes Cartel?
No.
Mavado?
No.
Bounty Killer?
Him kill Bounty and Beanie on Sting. And I think a 93
Ninja
Sting.
Man?
No. And him kill Ninja Man to on Sting.
Who was it?
Which man get kicked down? Who are the first artists who ever get kicked down on Sting? On a stage show in
Mavado.
Jamaica.
When Cartel do it though.
Yeah, you're wrong. Come.
Ninja.
You say my father, wrong.
Jeez.
When you talk about Red Bull and Guinness, you talk about Delhi?
Ranks.
Yeah. Slim girl, I better you can do this.
Spice?
Pampute.
Pampute?
Yeah. I will sing I One King.
Ragging?
Yeah.
Bumba.
So
who come
people,
up with this?
this is a shot thief. She did
never
a scene of the
thief.
reflection of the phone.
Who could have
and she
never
get
make you
2.
know?
Let me see. No,
True.
let me see. How much you
Three
get
me
right?
get, three.
You know what? Look for your fire that China.
Move, man. Who could I get more?
Yo, let me see which one did I know. Sports.
Much minutes
no,
you
no,
got,
about
man?
sport. 15. No, about sports. No, about jumps. No.
Ready?
Alright, I'm ready. Come.
Dirty wine. That's a easy.
Dirty wine, my girl.
Yeah. Get jiggy with it. Get jiggy with it.
I want to sing.
Jiggy. Are we for singing?
I want to sing it. Yeah. So I guess the name.
No, it's so we forget the name.
Oh,
When you
the
sing
name.
a
I mean,
song.
sing it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, true.
So sing
That
a
is
song done by any Jamaican that mention these words. on
Words,
the
yes,
card.
I mean for
Say
sing.
the word to your teammate that is holding the phone.
Yeah, so I want to say it to me.
Person holding the phone should sing.
Up to
Yeah.
4 lines.
Yes, I mean for sing it.
Alright.
Alright, ready. Take 2. Hello.
Teacher.
Eh?
Teacher.
Yeah, the girl them that say, teacher, the boy can't love me good. So we have to send for the. You don't know that's what the girl.
You know the 4 lines, but
We
we'll
have
get
to
a
do the
part.
4 line of that. Come on. What is?
Equal rights. Woman
just
have a
got
right,
started.
woman have a right too.
What you think one round can do?
Bumper to your pass.
Easy.
You pass
easy,
it all like it press
Stop the money.
Trick or treat.
Man, I say me sweet, like I'm in a trick or treat. Everything,
Yeah.
rotten teeth. 2 little of me. Ready?
Party.
Party shot like one M16. Them
Yeah.
call me the raving.
Holiday.
It's a holiday, yeah. Let me get the drip.
Selassie.
Selassie, baby G. Oh, na. Move on on the rock.
Who the cap fit?
Who the cap fit? Let them wear it.
But you would I get that, yeah.
Shani. So, oh, equal rights, miss.
Because my hand going there.
You mash up my song.
How much you get?
5. You say anything you can do better? Anything you can do better?
Not me.
It never be there video again.
It was videoing.
Oh.
See it a video. You have to stop, you know?
So, who you can do better? Alright, go on. Come on, here, you are saying that. No, man, you do that one day. You do that. She can't manage that one day. People mean for what you man girl for big.
Such things Jamaicans love to say.
So many for say to you. If I ask you,
Irie.
Irie, thing bless. Yeah, alright. Eh?
Well, God.
No, everything good. Pass. Your mother always tell us it's school time and you need to come up. Yeah.
Come off of the phone.
Yeah, you know that. When you cook, people always come here and ask you
Where you cook?
how the pot stay. Stay, me now. Yeah. When you always ask a Jamaican something where
I
you
don't
go.
know.
No, you're not for do. Shani. You say every time Shani
Leave me
there.
alone. That's at the end. Another way to say that.
Allow me now.
No.
Don't trouble me.
Don't trouble me.
When people always don't talk, them always say,
Cool.
Zine.
See him.
Yeah.
Kind the same thing.
No, I see one funny to 4. I see one funny with name Jamaica. Oh, listen.
Jamaica.
Like, no, what is that? Please. Like act out. It have something funny. Oh, act out. Act out the action on the card for your teammate to guess. Use action and sound effects only.
Alright.
See how do that?
No, you're fine.
Come in, no one can. I cannot.
Black Road.
Hmm?
Oh.
Pass the one there.
Act it out.
Two or more.
Taxi?
No.
Loader man.
No.
Charter?
No.
Bus driver.
Bus driver.
But the same thing. The same thing.
This ticket to your dreams.
Supreme Ventures.
Close.
Cashback Lotto.
Lotto winner.
You from here, Mr. Supreme Venture?
Monster
Rio
Bray.
Grande. Bamboo.
What you do for them then?
Rafting.
River raft.
So the same thing, Shani.
Scammer them.
No.
What you call them? Gunman. Another name for a gunman.
Banger.
Bad man.
Bad man. Shani, how foolish is that? You talk about scammer. Brother, this is done, brother. But you not do the thing. Brother, I not do no more. Because you can't play charades. She can't play charades. She don't know for act. She don't know for give hints. This not make no sense. That's the end of the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching.